Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Logical Heroes. I'm Mitch, aka Rolbakis.
I'm Trevor.
And today we got episode 3 of Umbrella Academy, season 3 as well. Jesus. This show has been pretty good. Nothing to complain about. Like, it's been like a great character development. It was a long time since we saw this show. Was it 2018, 2019? I can't even freaking remember. Trevor, give a recap.
Oh. Okay. Well, pretty much how we left off, the main parts, is Luther is having sex in the air with his
they were
girlfriend.
Kissing. Okay, we don't have to be so perverted. Sorry, we just watched The Boys, so everything.
That's true. That's why I'm thinking sex. Okay, they were making out and listening to a beautiful song floating in the air in her room. And while everyone else on the other side of the family, the Umbrella Academy, realized that they're now in it's called the grandfather paradox.
Yes.
It's like the paradox of all paradoxes. And it's like, I'm still confused on how this paradox works and what's going on. But pretty much all their like mothers were killed before they were even born, or something like that. So like shit's really messed up. So there's no actual doppelgangers around in this timeline for them. It's just them, but technically they shouldn't even be alive. So I don't know, shit's going. And then we still got that the ball, the god thing that's just,
is it growing?
like, I don't know if it's,
I don't know.
I don't know if it's growing, but it's starting to look a little different, you know, more intense.
Yeah.
But I don't know, the whole thing with the robot mom like still talking to it, that's weird. But that's pretty much where we left off.
Yeah. Not too much development in the story other than Luther and what's her face getting it on at the end of the thing. And surprisingly they still haven't noticed that Luther's gone. Like they never figured it out.
He kept saying it multiple times. He's like, yeah, they're worried sick about me. They should be here soon. Like he said that like 4 times.
That's so sad. Holy shit. Well, let's get right into it. Before we do, guys, you can drop a like and subscribe down below. It'd be greatly appreciated. We're bringing you Umbrella Academy every day until we finish this. We're just gonna try and bring it to you guys every day, no schedule whatsoever. We might bring 2 in one day, we have no friggin' idea, but we're gonna get through it. We also got Discord, Twitter, and Instagram down below if you guys want to join that. We got a few people in Discord right now that we're talking to daily about all our stuff. It's a really good time, but let's get right into it, guys.
Let's go.
Paradox Protocols, the complete commission guide to temporal anomalies.
Oh, okay.
Chapter
They're gonna teach us
the grandfather paradox.
Okay.
It's a real thing, by the way. I looked it up.
Really?
Yeah.
Blames everything on his grandfather. This
Whoa.
could have been just another
Jesus.
sad tale about soup, except for one thing.
What?
Yeah.
You see, Elmer has decided the key to his future happiness
What, is
is
this guy
to go
Rick?
back in time
Rick and Morty?
and
Oh, literally grandfather paradox.
Elmer completed his mission. But if his mother was never born, Elmer no longer exists. But if
Oh my god.
we go,
Oh my
Elmer has
god.
created a paradox, the
Oh my-
grandfather paradox, the most pernicious problem.
Man, they're explaining it, but I'm still lost.
Yeah, same.
Elmer would have.
I like the way they did that all.
Yeah.
With your help. Happens.
The permission.
Or God help us all.
All right.
God help us all, I guess.
Literally.
When will I see you again?
Go before someone sees you.
Why didn't you just float him out the window?
Yeah.
What? Aren't there cameras everywhere? They saw you. They saw your booty call. Yeah, went for Luther. Let's go. Remember the first season? He like still lived with his dad and was the loyal one, and then was on the moon and shit.
Yeah.
And then he started to like open up and finally got out of the house. So it's nice seeing him like actually
Happy?
enjoy himself. Yeah.
Beautiful evening, isn't it?
He's so happy right now. Dude, he for sure got laid. He's this happy.
Oh yeah.
Which is a thing I do now.
Oh, it does look like it's getting bigger, Mitch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
it looks a little bigger.
no.
Oh, so they can see it. Or it just looks like a gust of wind coming out.
Maybe.
Oh, that guy behind him just died.
No way.
Yeah.
Well,
You don't have to pay him now.
shit.
But fuck.
Oh.
What is going on with this thing? So that thing's got to be connected with the paradox, right?
Well, maybe as the paradox happens, it's taking away people that wouldn't make sense to be there anymore. It still takes
Okay.
them.
He's taking. Dude, fuck. Might as well take more.
Someone killed our mothers, so we shouldn't exist, but clearly we do exist, and
Okay.
Be doing karate, okay?
Yeah, well, Mom said I need to practice.
Yeah, well, she's not wrong. You're very bad.
Yeah, well, I saved your pathetic ass. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, you shit at karate. This is funny.
I have a feeling this is just the beginning.
a feeling. Aren't you retired?
I want nothing more.
You know, you can't keep.
Jeez. Oh.
Fine, I'm the messenger, and I'm
She's
telling
drunk
you
and
something
pissed.
terrible
Yep.
is coming.
Then
This is
let's
her
go
daughter.
attack the sparrows, get the briefcase.
Damn. It's not that easy, bro.
That's it. I'm telling your mom.
Ooh,
Wait, where's Lila?
shower. I told her she could stay with us.
Wait, find out who did this!
Oh, true.
Boom. Murders.
You think Dad is
Okay.
capable of killing innocent people?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You're right.
By the sparrows.
Yeah.
What?
Wait, did none of you notice?
That's awesome.
God, no. Not at all.
He comes back with a loot bag.
Really quite
They were holding me
charming.
captive.
Oh, and you should see their
And I had sex while I was captive.
Yeah. Yeah. This kid needs to chill.
Jesus.
It was the wind.
Who's the kid?
The wind?
Who's the kid?
Ooh la la.
I'm a little less likely to kill me in my sleep.
We're learning so much about each other.
Yeah, you don't have to change. I don't
Jeez.
mind. Oh shit.
Whoa.
Yeah, she's OP too.
Oh no. Let's go.
You just came here right away for a fight, eh?
Yeah, seriously.
She was all for it.
Let's go. Oh, nope, never mind.
Nice fight scene. What the hell are you gonna do with that? Oh shit! Oh! She's like, alright, chill.
Lila, as much as I'd love to stand here shivving each other, I have bigger concerns than you.
Yeah? Like what?
What do you know about
They just fought just to fight.
Yeah.
You being stupid.
Hand over your briefcase. I need to go to Herb and find out how he let things get
about
so
that.
cocked up.
Don't tell me they're stuck.
Oh wait, what? Did that flaming ball thing break him?
Oh no.
One of them failing, it's in the millions, but two of them...
Astronomical. Yeah. So, what does that mean exactly?
Does that mean time travel like was never invented?
Gonna have to
I don't
work
know.
together.
Shit.
Come here, discipline. That's what.
But now they're stuck and everything's disappearing.
Yeah, shit.
I was becoming a real man.
Right, is that why you wear those tight pants?
Lila?
We don't have time for this. Lila and I've got important shit to do.
Wait, whoa. What's more important than family? Come here.
End of the world, genius.
So much for retired, man. It's alright.
Diego.
Diego.
What do you mean?
Many.
Whoa.
Jeez.
The only relationship we have left is the one with our child.
Shit going on too?
I doubt that.
That sucks.
Yeah.
Figure it out, Diego. Be a
The
dad.
relationship that he just got into 3 days ago is now ended.
Yep.
And she's like, I'm done. I slept with all these people, but here's a kid. Fuck, I would hate
So-
that kid.
All the people on the street just
Yeah, see, I knew that was what's gonna happen.
Okay, what if we just told the truth? Marcus.
Like Ben and the bird girl are like the top ones. They're the crazy ones.
Yeah.
Listen, Marcus was ready to give us back the briefcase.
Yeah, okay. Well, if you guys are heading over there, I should probably.
He loves it there and he loves his girl.
nice try, Stockholm. Your ass is staying here.
Oh my god, she has them like a
Ugh. She
Imagine
doesn't
living
have
that?
to. She doesn't have to because it can just absorb into her. Or unless those are actual real ones.
Could be.
I'm thinking hysteria.
What are they up to?
Who?
The Umbrella Academy. Use your...
I suppose that means you're number one now.
Marcus is missing. I'm taking the reins.
Oh, there's gonna be an imbalance of power now.
You had your chance once. Didn't turn out too well now, did it?
Oh shit, they're playing Alpha right now.
That again.
Children, you mind if I clean up?
Do it quickly.
Damn, this family's intense.
And Marcus ain't coming back anytime soon.
You, me,
Yeah.
center stage, taking things to the next level.
Shit.
See? Oh shite, this is not gonna be good.
They don't.
I love how mom knows that they're
Decisions
dead.
to make.
I know. She's like, oh, Marcus.
Oh!
God is in the basement, and he called Marcus home.
What the fuck, dude?
They completely
Yeah,
ignore it!
Listen to it. That's hilarious how you just said that too.
Oh my god, and they didn't like think like, oh, think twice, maybe she's telling the truth, maybe no.
They're just like, ah, stupid robot.
It's malfunctioning.
Just like the dad.
Get a room?
Who's this guy?
Yes, sir. Right with you.
I know, right? They should have like 4 times. I don't know. Could be connection. Nice outfit.
Last warning.
Yeah, you don't get to warn me about shit, flock of she-gulls.
Damn.
Marcus is
Safe.
Yeah.
For now.
Marcus, but no. He said we had to hear what you had to say.
Look, he wasn't wrong, okay? We want to make things.
What are you doing?
There is a lot more going on here. The world is in trouble, and we need to work together. My brother. A paradox, and that paradox is swallowing things. Lots of cows.
She has so much anger in her.
I
Dog.
know. She can't even like look at people.
Give us the briefcase and we'll give you Marcus.
What briefcase?
The one we left in your house.
Deal.
They don't know. What a shitty meeting. Both sides are lying.
Yeah, because the briefcase is gone.
4 o'clock sharp.
They have it. Where is he going?
Huh.
What is he jumping into?
Dude, there's not shit in there, is there?
We do things together.
Hey, Trevor, you're a sissy.
I feel bad for her for the child thing, but she's being really stupid right now.
She's gonna get into trouble.
Yeah.
She's gonna cause something to happen.
This outfit.
Oh, he's copying him?
Now,
Oh
I need
my
you to stay away
god.
from the hotel for a few hours, all right? It's not safe. Go buy some donuts.
I'm allergic.
What?
Imagine being allergic to gluten at that age. Oh my
Maybe
god.
just try being less annoying.
Oh my god, you're bad at this.
Just
Well, you're a shitty kid, man. Allergic to donuts. You got
Yeah.
puke coming out of your ears. What's going on?
She doesn't trust me.
that's because she's a terrible person. And I'm amazing. Remember that.
Did you just say his mom's a terrible person? Kind of like his outfit. with all
Yeah,
the
me
knives.
too.
You can see it better. The other ones he was wearing all black. This one you can kind of see it all.
Yeah. Where the hell did he get to from going through there?
Dude, did he swim through shit and stuff?
Yeah, I think so.
That's disgusting. Then why did he say this brings back memories? Oh my god, that's so
Maybe he's in their house, in the mansion, in the academy, sorry.
Maybe sneaking. Oh, that's disgusting, dude. He's smiling. It's
Oh, he is. Okay, he is.
like, what's that smell?
You! How did you get in here? Did you kill our moms? Moms? What in the world are you talking about?
This version of him's so weird.
Yeah.
I don't leave, I promise. I don't care enough about you to lie. Do I look fit?
Is he putting on an
Feedback.
act?
I don't
Or is this
know.
a different one?
You're the drunk
Is this
one,
one
aren't
not
you?
an alien?
No, no, I'm Klaus. I'm the spirit.
The drunk one, yeah.
Bills and num-nums.
I'm not hungry.
Oh,
Are they in charge of him?
Really not in the mood for your bullshit today.
have they been drugging him?
Gotta move on.
Wow, this is interesting.
Sit. You old man. We say sign, you sign.
What? They really do control him.
Oh my god.
Don't make me.
Christopher.
These evil pricks.
Wow. What's the chain? What's the big chain? I don't think he's an alien. I
You're
think
a
he's a
champ,
legit
Reg.
old man right now.
Yeah. Made you feel bad.
Jesus, Reggie, you stink.
So they grew up without a mom, technically,
Yeah.
and they grew up with an old man that they took advantage of.
Seriously, like that's so different.
Yeah, I was scared of him before. And he was good at fighting and everything.
Yeah. Something here. What if it's a trap? What if we open it and it explodes?
Please.
No, they're about to see it.
Oh shit.
Sweet Jesus.
Yeah, it's
Oh
bigger,
my
bro.
god, she's just like sitting in front of it.
Or Brahma the creator.
Yeah, whatever.
Be careful, number 2.
He's choosing.
Grace, is this what took Marcus?
Yep.
He went right up and touched it.
Oh my god.
Brazen man. With our new visitors.
Wait, what?
With our two visitors, with our new visitors, so like the
Yeah,
Umbrella Academy. So I guess when they came in, it created it.
Okay.
We're screwed.
Maybe. Maybe not.
Or
Yeah,
what?
do you do now? Together?
Me mimicking that blink. I think that we could create some kind of feedback loop and get enough juice to jumpstart the case.
Both of us together.
That sounds scary.
Yeah, I know, right?
Earth parents.
Fair enough.
Oh yeah, he did.
Yeah.
When she was a
And
kid.
your entire family stood by while that greasy Swede put a
I rolled back time and let the meatball do his work. Oh, and by the way, it may actually.
shagging a mannequin.
Do not talk about Dolores like that,
This
Lila.
is insane. There is no
My
way we're going to
God.
get past all this to make.
Fair enough.
Then come over here, god awful little shit. Oh man.
They're gonna teleport together.
Is it Luther?
It's gotta be Luke. I'm in love.
Are you
awesome.
making a mixtape?
He's taking a picture.
Oh my god.
I've been working on our defense. Now,
This stock offense, all right? It's our Sparrow plan of attack. I got the rest of the afternoon. Bro.
Oh, he doesn't know yet.
What else did I miss while I was kidnapped?
Everything is about you, right? So
His face is like
completely dumbfounded.
yeah.
no.
No hate or judgment. He's just like,
for you and
what?
me to show him who's boss. Like the old days,
Oh,
huh?
here we go.
Yeah.
Who? No.
I met someone, okay? And I thought, you know, maybe
Oh my god.
Time to meet someone. I mean, we've
Oh,
been here for 2 days,
no.
and the only time you
With the enemy. Yeah.
one big misunderstanding. And if our
Oh my
family could just behave
God.
ourselves for once, then we can all work together.
Such a different Luther. He's
Yeah, I
selfish as
know.
fuck this season.
pathetic. But he said,
Yeah.
Come on. You know, I can't talk about that.
listen, your brother.
Yeah, you did. That's exactly what I thought.
You might say we were dancing on the ceiling. Oh, that was...
He's like completely out of commission, like completely.
Side of this elephant.
And that's how you parent, ladies and
There
gentlemen.
you go. So shit on his face.
Oh yeah, wash your face too.
Back, my boy. Especially not to your children. You try your
What
best.
happened?
Give them. You've signed your life away.
What?
All your dreams have been quashed. All your plans run aground, and the
Did they like drug him and then get control and
I have no idea what you're talking about.
I feel like if I could just find the person who...
kinda nice his dad though,
Yeah.
technically.
Dude, straight up.
Yeah. Ice cream would shut me up too, Dad.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
The ice cream?
No. Pills. If you don't want to take them.
Oh, no.
Oh my god.
They're literally drugging him to make him like this old weak man.
Yeah.
Such as this.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Old necessary rehab trick.
It's completely different than what he used to be.
I think he liked that. He's like, okay, what the fuck?
Whoa. What
He's got
the
numbered
hell?
sandwiches.
That's so, like, weird and interesting all at the same time.
Yeah, but I want them to tell us what's up with him by now.
Yeah. He's listening to himself
literally
digest.
listening- Yeah. Oh, I'm uncomfortable.
Yeah, that was like the throat scene was a little weird, but that was just creepy.
God damn.
Well, it's a pretty big deal, right?
Yes, for him, it's whatever.
Well, should we say something? You know, I mean, make a formal gesture. Mark the occasion somehow.
You just want to throw a party.
Why do you hate tiny sandwiches?
Oh.
Do you feel loved?
Yeah.
He's such a stupid grin on his face.
Yeah. Do you feel loved? That's sweet.
Really brings your face.
Thanks.
I'll see you later.
Stupid
So
grin.
awkward. Yeah. That's his way of showing love, you know? It's awkward, but we'll
Yeah.
get used to it.
Wash your face.
Oh, he's eating ice cream with shit all over his face. What?
Oblivion.
What did that mean?
What do you say, Oblivion?
Yeah, that's what I heard.
You're not so terrible when you're asleep.
Oh, don't kiss him. He's about to rip off his mask.
Oh, that's what he was gonna do.
Oh shit. No, Klaus, stay away.
Oh no. What the fuck?
Klaus, get out of there. Oh, my nose.
Klaus, start reacting not this way.
Dude, I would not just be standing there watching. Oh shit. What's gonna happen now, though?
Garbage out there now! I hate you so much! Then get this way!
Damn.
The hell?
Oh
Oi.
shit. Yeah, Stone Age, now you're in the Ice Age.
Welcome to the Ice Age!
Yeah.
Why is she smiling? The hell is she smiling about?
I don't get it.
Oh no.
Are they coming to fight?
I don't know if they're coming to fight.
I don't know. They're in their outfit. I think they called media and they said, "Hey, there's gonna be a fight so and so. Come check it out."
Oh.
Yeah, our team look like the bad guys.
Yeah.
Be here.
I
Where are
don't
the
like
rest?
her.
What are you taking attendance? They'll be here.
Where's the briefcase?
Where's our brother?
Do you?
Hand over the briefcase or no deal.
Yeah. Tiny problem. Deal's off.
Oh
What the hell, kid?
no!
Is this kid? Did he get dropped on his head? You're supposed
Oh,
to
here
throw
comes this
it.
guy.
What is going on?
Who is this guy?
No idea. How Chris. Oh shit.
That's not good.
Kill him.
What? Whoa!
Oh!
Is that the one that's... He's doing it?
Holy shit! Oh!
Oh my god! Fuck. Are they just dead now?
Damn!
Jamie! Alfonso!
Oh, it's a different color now.
Sloan, are you okay?
Damn! What the fuck just happened?
That dude caused it, right? The guy that walked up?
Who is this guy?
There was a kid last season when they went back in time when now Victor, you know, she was had that love interest, the girl.
Her son
kid was autistic, and he ended up getting like powers. Yeah, that's him all grown up.
Damn! I didn't even catch that.
I didn't until she said that. I'm like, that's the only way. It's got to be that kid. But he literally did what that the fireball thing was doing.
Yeah.
God was doing. He like ran up and like did that. Came out of his body.
Maybe he's the cause of it. Like he's connected to that somehow. Like that's this different connection. I don't know.
I think so. I don't. That was really confusing. Are they fucking dead? It looked like it. Alfonso
they're the ones that are the unlikables, though. You know what I mean? They're the ones that like are kind of like you're the asshole, right? They're the ones that made him sign the shit.
Yeah.
All right. So no, that was a good episode. I really enjoyed it. I love the comic book feel of it. You know what I mean? Like with like the powers and like the lightning coming out. It's kind of cartoony and stuff like that. I really enjoy that. It's a little different. I like it.
I love the like chaotic family shit. It's They all seem the chemistry is really well done.
No, it was a great episode again. Can't wait for the next one.
Yep.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction today for the Umbrella Academy Season 3, Episode 3. Getting kind of crazy now. We got people in the... I don't even know. It's like a snow ice age place.
I don't know. Yeah, the ice age. Yeah.
Right. So
down.
Everyone's now coming together. Kind of. We're kind of getting the story, a little bit of mystery and stuff like that. But no, I think it's going really good. But before we leave, guys, today, if you could drop a like and subscribe down below, it'd be greatly appreciated. We also got Discord, Twitter, and Instagram for you if you want to join those as well. And until next time, guys. See you later.